developing countries. But last month, Malaysia... In Malaysia, especially open nurseries, plastic polybags are widely used to grow the seedlings before they are transferred to the estate. These polybags are cheap and convenient, but it creates a serious long-term environmental problem.
Imagine planting millions of seedlings using plastic polybags that never fully disappear. Over time, they will break down into microplastics, damaging soil health and reducing crop productivity. Plastic polybags are non-biodegradable. They can be made in the soil for 100 years, accumulating over time and causing soil pollution and creating issue of microplastics. Improper disposal also leads to environmental damages in plantation.
Another major issue is root restriction. During transplanting, workers must cut and remove the plastic polybags, which can damage the roots and cause transplant shock, slower growth, and even plant death. From the finding of the research by Yaya and Manurung in year 2002, this delay in plant growth can last for up to 2 weeks. So we ask a simple but powerful question. Can one solution solve all these problems at once? Our answer is Bnpt pot, biodegradable, nourished, pest-resistant transplant pot. This innovation is made entirely from natural and recycled materials, such as waste paper, rice husks, chili, black pepper, lemongrass, coffee powder, and cocoa peat. It's not just a container, it's a complete growth system.
Unlike plastic polybag, the Bnpt pot does not need to be removed. It can be planted directly into the soil together with the seedlings. This prevents root disturbance and eliminates transplant shock. At the same time, the Bnpt pot is designed with pest-resistant properties and nutrition supplying capabilities to support healthy seedling growth.
By removing the need to cut plastic bag, the planting process becomes faster and simpler. Workers can plant more seedling in less time, helping to reduce labor costs and solve workforce shortage. Natural pest repellent materials such as chili, black pepper, and lemongrass are incorporated to form a bioactive defense system, while coffee powder and cocoa peat are added to enhance soil nutrients and support seedling growth. This pot supports better root development by retaining water and nutrients around the root zone, creating a better environment for early plant growth.
To reduce pest attack, we add the ground red chili, black pepper, and lemongrass into the pot materials. Hence, Bnpt pot itself acts as a built-in protective barrier without using chemical pesticides.
Step 1. Missing. At the initial stage, several experiments were conducted to determine the most suitable ratio of waste paper pulp, rice husk, red chili, black pepper, lemongrass, coffee powder, and cocoa peat for producing the Bnpt pot. Once the optimal formulation was obtained, all materials were truly mixed to form a uniform pulp, ensuring an even distribution of fibers and additives. Step 2. Molding. In this step, the mixture is placed into a mold to shape the pot. The mold determines the size and thickness of the final product. Step 3. Pressing. Pressure is applied to remove excess water and increase density. This step improves the strength and durability of the pot. Step 4. Drying. Finally, the pot is dried in an oven at 100 degrees Celsius. After drying, it becomes firm, lightweight, and ready for use.
Did you heard about the Bnpt pot? What's your opinion about our innovation?
Okay, innovation ini to be honest, saya ucapkan tahniah kepada adik-adik semua sebab berjaya hasilkan. For me, tadi saya dengar semua berkaitan memang ianya adalah efektif. For example, because kamu orang punya Bnpt pot ini dia termasuk sekali dengan itu halangan serangga iaitu biopesticide lah. And then di sini tadi salah satu ingredient yang kamu orang pakai adalah lemongrass, which is kalau kami di luar sana sebagai petani, we have to use this lemongrass. Memang kita akan tanam di tepi kita orang punya hasil supaya tidak ada serangga. So dengan adanya ini kamu orang macam 2 in 1 sudah. Satu adalah terus direct masuk dekat tanah. Second, dia terus halang serangga. So and that's why ini yang invention sebab mungkin in the future kami orang persatuan sendiri ingin beli ini punya produk dari kamu orang. Okay. Yep.
To evaluate the effectiveness of Bnpt pot, we conducted several tests including pest resistance, seeding growth, durability, and decomposition.
In the pest resistance test, the Bnpt pot containing chili, black pepper and lemongrass recorded a significantly lower number of pests, which is only 5 compared to the plastic polybag without pest repellent materials, which is as much as 15. These strong sinks made the environment less attractive to pests, causing them to move away from the Bnpt pot. This indicates that the natural ingredients used in the Bnpt pot were effective in reducing pests.
In the seedling growth support material test, Bnpt plants perform better overall. After 2 weeks of transplantation, the seedling of pot B shows a greater height, which is 25.6 cm, larger stem diameter, which is 5 mm, and more leaf, which is 5 when compared to the seedling in pot A. This shows that coffee powder and cocoa peat help to improve plant growth.
After 30 days, the Bnpt pot began to soften and break down in the soil. Roots were able to grow through the pot more naturally, allowing continuous developing without restriction.
In large plantations, the Bnpt pot helps to improve efficiency by making the planting process easier and faster. Workers can transplant seedlings more quickly because there's no need to remove plastic polybags manually. It also improves safety because workers do not need to use knives to cut plastic bags, which can reduce the risk of injuries.
The Bnpt pot produces zero plastic waste. It is made from recycled materials and fully decomposed into the soil, contributing organic matters instead of pollution.
With a production cost below RM 0.80 per unit, the Bnpt pot is affordable and scalable. In conclusion, it is a practical, sustainable, and efficient alternative to plastic polybags. The Bnpt pot makes planting safer, easier, and more efficient. Let us protect our environment one pot at a time. Thank you.